The Cordyceps technique on another person starts exactly the same as if you were to do the technique on yourself. Place one hand at the back of the neck. The other hand is going to lightly tap the top of the head and then the sternum heart center. Next, move the hand at the back of the head, one hand width up. Continue tapping lightly along the top of the head and the heart center. You are going to continue moving the hand with the tapping till your hand position reaches the eyebrows. You can perform this technique on all ages, but if doing it on a toddler or a baby, it is not needed for you to physically touch them, as that age group are more sensitive to energy around them. You can instead mimic with the motion of tapping the head and heart. This technique is excellent to do lying down when feeling ill or as a bedtime ritual. The Cordyceps technique de-stresses and relaxes the brain and helps the brain to become more focused on healing the body. The Cordyceps technique enhances connections, so you can do it as an exchange, having the other perform it on you as well. While doing this technique, make sure the subject is breathing deeply in and out. Tapping the heart can be done at the back between the shoulders, as the heart is in the center of the chest. It just depends what works best. Once you reach the brow, tapping the head and heart, the last hand position is above the ears on each side of the head. Hold in place for a full breath in and out, being aware of the brain communicating between the hands. Then tap the head and the heart center. Replace the hands once again at the side of the head. After Cordyceps, the person should feel more relaxed and grounded.